So yesterday the link is got disconnected, something error it was showing. So I think we came, yeah, beam of sunlight if passed through the glass prism, that also we did know. Okay, 3 more questions we have to discuss now. So the question is that what type of images of is formed by the concave mirror. So concave mirror is like this. Okay, the inner part is what reflecting, outer part is non-reflecting surface. So image we are keeping. Okay, suppose this is a reference line and my finger is nothing but here object. Okay, so rays are passing and they are reflected back. So on the same side of the mirror we are getting image. That means that is we are getting real and inverted image. We are getting by the concave mirror. Okay, and if object is so far, then it is real and inverted, and object is very very near to the mirror, then the image is what formed virtual and erect, means that image can form beyond the mirror. So that image is known as a virtual image. Okay, so this is the answer. Once again I will repeat the question. What type of image is formed by the concave mirror? So concave mirror, so inner part is nothing but what reflecting, outer part is non-reflecting. So object is at far distance, then image is real and inverted, and if it is very very near to the mirror, then it is always virtual and erect image we are getting. So virtual means the image is forming beyond the mirror. Okay, write down one more. So what is the nature of a image? What is the nature of a image formed by a convex mirror? Go. Okay, chalo. So next question is that what is the nature of image formed by the convex mirror? Okay, nature and image of an image formed by the convex mirror. So convex mirror is always giving virtual and erect images. Okay, virtual and erect images we are getting from the convex mirror. Okay, so outer part is nothing but what reflecting, and this part is not reflecting. So in this case you are getting the images which are virtual and erect images by the convex mirror. Always read the question carefully, because always convex mirror is there, convex lens is there. Okay, so similarly we have convex mirror, concave mirrors are also there. Check which one is correct. Okay, so now next question, write down. So write down next question. Write down next question. Two different types of lenses are placed. Two different types of lenses are placed on a sheet of newspaper. On a sheet of newspaper. Full stop. How will you identify them? How will you identify them without touching them? Okay, I will repeat the question. Two different types of lenses are placed on a sheet of newspaper. How will you identify them without touching them? Okay, so how can you identify? How can you identify? So see, we are not touching the lens. Okay, but the lenses are kept on the paper, newspaper. Okay, so two possibilities are there. One is what we will get, the letters are in a magnified font is magnified, and in another case we will get the fonts are very very smaller, means whatever the size is there, so decreases that size also. Okay, these two possibilities are there. And there here they are using the word lens. That means we have two lenses, one is convex lens and another is concave lens. Okay, so we are getting larger and magnified image in convex lens, very important. In convex lens we are getting larger and magnified image, as that of convex we are having the smaller and diminished size of the object we are getting. Understood how to write the answers? So they are asking any applications. Okay, how they are just keeping the lens on the newspaper, and we don't no need to touch also, just by observing lens, either it will give the magnified image or maybe it is diminished or smaller size of image. Okay, so in that case if it is magnified then it is a convex lens, and it is smaller in size then it is the concave lens. Understood this? Okay, next one, write down the question. What type of mirror is used? Okay, I will read the first application, and you can type the message. Those who are present, they can type this message. What type of mirror is used? They are not at all talking about the lens, only mirror they are asking. In searchlight, what kind of mirror is there? Searchlight. Someone can type. Those who are present, two are there. I can able to see two students here. I am not able to get their names, but at least message there. What are the lights? What kind of mirrors are used in the searchlight? Yes. Yes, can anyone? Searchlight में which kind of mirror is there? Even in last session I explained I gave the short notes. Check searchlight. Here concave mirrors are there in searchlight. Okay, concave mirrors are there in the searchlight. So write down next application, a side view mirror in a car. So convex mirror, because it gives what? Wider fidelity for the images or the vehicles behind the car. Okay, so convex mirror is used in the side view mirror. Then a shaving mirror, again here concave, because there is again magnified image we are getting, so concave में magnified है, so that's what that is used in the shaving mirror. Then vigilance mirror in a big shop, that is a convex mirror, no? So I told the examples of the bank, then ATM. Okay, and even for nowadays they are using in trucks also. So wherever the security we require, there they are using the vigilance mirror. So that is nothing but convex mirror. Understood? So now they are asking next question, how are the rainbows formed? Write down next question, how the rainbows are formed. How the rainbows are formed. How can the rainbows are formed? Does anyone can type how the rainbows will form? Rainbows of the rainbow is formed, no? That day I explained. Those who are new joined today, they can check this session. Okay, one revision session I did. So there I explained the entire chapter. Okay, and I made a short notes for this chapter. Okay, just you can go through that and try to learn that and answer it. Okay, so here how the rainbow is formed. So if we take an example of prism, so white here in prism we have the prism is like this. I'll show you. I have a pen. So here one triangular shape, 3D triangular shape prism is there like this. Okay, and ray of light is falling on one of the slanting edge. So when the white light will fall on one of the slanting edge, then it gives that light is what gets refracted into the prism. And once the light is get refracted into the prism, then it can come out from the another slanting side. So when it comes from the prism to the rarer medium, then that white light is splitted into 7 different colors, and that all colors are known as a VIBGYOR that we can see when the rainbow will form. So this is I explained with the prism. But they are asking how rainbow is formed. Rainbow is nothing but what? The spectrum of a light. Okay, that rainbow consists of 7 different colors. Okay, and normally rainbow we can observe in the rainy season, or somewhere there is a, or sometimes in somewhere there is a rainy season is there, along with that sun is also appeared. So whenever there is raindrops and sunlight is also there, then light will fall on the water droplet, and there is an internal refraction takes place, and due to that internal reflection the white light is splitted into 7 different colors, that is a VIBGYOR. Okay, so this is because of the diffraction of the light. Okay, so this is nothing but what? The rainbow formation. Understood this? Okay, I hope you all are getting the rainbow formation. I explained with the help of prism. And also you can say that whenever there is a rainy season, in one side there is a rain and another side there is a sunlight is also there, then that sunlight, that is white light, will fall on the water droplets in the rain, and that ray enter into the water droplet, and internal refraction takes place, and due to internal refraction you can able to see the different colors, means white light is getting splitted into 7 different spectra. Getting this? So this is the answer, how the rainbow formed. Can you getting this? Understood? Okay. So write down, in what way is the word ambulance painted? In what way is the word ambulance painted in front of the hospital vans? In front of the hospital vans. Why it is painted in this way? Okay, so while teaching I told you the ambulance, already plane mirrors are nothing but what here? Plane mirrors are the mirrors, and they are showing the lateral inversion, means right hand appears as a left and left you raise, then it appears as a right. So this lateral inversion is there. Okay, suppose if I am writing ambulance as it is on the van, then suppose that van is behind my car and my mirror used to read, that mirror is reading laterally inverted, no? So whatever the letters are there, that letters I can able to read as a laterally inverted. Okay, so instead of that, if you are writing in the laterally inverted way, so that my car mirror can able to see the correct spellings or correct writings on the from the van. Okay, so that's what in ambulance van they are writing in the laterally inverted, so that people can able to read or easily read the correct order of the spelling easily by their car's mirror. Understood? So this is what a rear view mirror can easily catch that, and that enables to reach the hospital quickly. Understood this? Okay, can you getting the answers? Can you able to understand the question answers which we are discussing today? Yes, can you? Okay, chalo. Next one. So here next question is that Amar suffers from toothache and goes to the dentist. Okay, Amar suffers from toothache and goes to the dentist. He becomes afraid when he sees different instrument in the doctor's hand. But he becomes surprised when he observed that his doctor examines his teeth with the help of mirror. Okay, so first bit they are asking, name the mirror used by the doctor and what is its function. So we discussed this application many times. So doctors are using concave mirrors to get a magnified image. So teeth is internal part and it is very very small, okay, which we cannot able to see with a, means we can able to see with normal eyes, but if there is any cavities are there and it's very difficult to observe. So that's what we are using the concave mirror to get a magnified image or larger image. Okay, so this is the answer. Which mirror they are using? Concave mirror. Okay, because it gives the enlarged or magnified image of the teeth. Then second, mention some other devices or equipment where such kind of mirror can be used. So this kind of mirrors, okay, are used in the searchlight, headlight of the vehicles, torches, shaving mirror. Okay, in there we can use this kind of mirrors, okay, to get the magnified image. Okay, understood this? If this kind of source based questions are coming, then it's very easy. Attempt it, and as I told you, you can read read your NCERT textbook properly. If you are reading your textbook, then you will get a better marks. Okay, see here I am discussing the question answers. Already I did the teaching also, and you can check for the short notes which I already uploaded that video. You can check once and then you can do it accordingly. Okay, next question. Yeah, a student perform an activity whereas a lamp and projects its image on the screen as shown in figure. Okay, so he is saying he kept on changing the distance between the lamp of the mirror for a various position. He notices that image formed by the screen disappears when lamp is very held closer to the mirror. Explain the disappearance of the image. Okay, so actually this is a question. I will not draw the diagram. As I told you, explain you while teaching. Suppose this is your mirror, okay, and object is at somewhere here, or we can take this as an object. Okay, initially it is at a certain distance, then slowly this is coming towards the mirror, and when it is very very close to the mirror, then the image is formed that is virtual and erect. That means that image is formed beyond the mirror. Okay, so we cannot observe that image in case of concave mirror. So that is the reason, if you are bringing any object far too near to the mirror, then that image is what? Formed beyond the mirror, so we cannot able to see the images, okay, on the screen. This is the answer. Understood? Then you have to differentiate the convex and concave mirror with the help of diagram. Write down this question. Concave and convex mirror. Differentiate concave and convex mirror with the help of diagram. 100% chances are there to ask this question. IMP, make 2 stars. And next differentiation, that is real and virtual image. Differentiate between real and virtual images. This is also IMP question for the exam point of view. So images, real images are always inverted and virtual images are always erect. Okay, and real images are obtained on the screen is called as a real images, and images cannot be obtained on the screen, that is they are obtaining beyond the mirror, are known as a virtual images. So retina is an example where all images are what? Real, and on the plane mirror all the images are what? Virtual. Okay, this is the differentiation. Okay, you can write. And one more IMP question, very important question, make a 5-star for this. Chalo. So here write down the question, very IMP question. So what do you mean by angle of incidence? What do you mean by angle of incidence and angle of reflection of a ray of light on a plane mirror, what do you mean by angle of incidence and angle of reflection of a ray of light on a plane mirror? Okay, so you can check my previous video for this answer. I told you the law, what is angle of incidence, angle of reflection on the plane mirror. So their reflection we learned. So to observe the reflection, the plane should be here shiny and regular surface we want. So the rays which are coming from the sunlight, they are falling on the shiny surface, and where they are falling, that point is known as a point of incidence. Okay, and from that point we are drawing a normal means 90 degree, and the angle which we are measuring from normal to the angle to the incident ray, that angle is nothing but angle of incidence. And from that point of incidence, or from where we do the normal, from there only it is reflected back. Okay, reflected to the other side. So that reflection is known as a reflected ray, and that reflected ray also measured with the help of normal only. So always remember, we are measuring angle of incidence and angle of reflection with the help of normal only. We are always measured with reference to normals. Okay, they will ask this question also sometimes, so you should remember, because same chapters we have for 10th standard, 12th standard also. So make you can prepare this chapter properly. Understood? So angle of incidence and angle of reflection we are always measuring with the help of this thing, normal. Understood? So now next is, and then you have to draw the diagram and you have to explain that. Okay, and always remember, first law, it says that angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Suppose angle of incidence is 30 degree, then angle of reflection is also 30 degree. Suppose angle of reflection is 50 degree, then incidence is also 50 degree. Okay, angle of incidence is 110, then angle of reflection is also 110, because both are same. And second law says that incident ray, reflected ray, and point of incidence and normal, they all are lying in the same plane. Can you getting this? So these are the two rules are there. Sometimes they ask the question based on this angle of incidence I is equal to 30, then what is the reflection? Yeah, that is also same. In case of reflection, angle of incidence and angle of reflection are always same in the laws of reflection. So we can take both are what? Same. Okay, many times they will ask for 1 mark question in MCQ. Okay, so based on the first rule you can answer it, no need to calculate. And always we are measuring the angle of incidence and angle of reflection with the help of normal or with the reference of normal. Understood? So what is an experiment to show the sunlight consists of 7 different colors. So as I told you, they keep one prism, okay, and allow to pass one white light from that, and on the second side of the slanting edge you can observe that white light is split into 7 different colors. That is called as a VIBGYOR. Okay, that is called as VIBGYOR. So sunlight is made up of 7 spectrum color, and they 7 spectrums, and they combine together to form a white light. Getting? Everyone is getting what I am saying? Can you getting? Now can you draw the, they are asking draw and differentiate between concave and convex lens. Okay, can you differentiate? Can you show concave and convex how to draw? So I will try to draw here. Check, maybe you can see. Check here. Can you able to see here? We can draw concave mirror. Ignore this. At house many small kids are there. So here concave is this mirror. Concave lens is this, and convex we have this. Okay, this is a convex lens. So you can write here, this is a concave lens, and this is convex lens. Okay, so concave lenses are curved at middle, and they are what, bulged at the middle. They are thicker at the ends, and they are thinner at the ends. Okay, so here from concave images are smaller. Images are what? Smaller. Images are smaller, and in concave we are getting magnified or larger images we are getting. Okay, understood this? These are the differences. Sometimes they will ask this question for the 3 marks. Okay, understood? So now there is a study based questions are there, or source based questions are there, so that we can do it now. So what are the source based? I will read out the source based question. Here source based question is there. One day Aman's father was performing their respective experiment given by their teacher while sitting in the practical lab. Instead of performing the experiment, Amar was playing with his meter scale. All of a sudden, he held the scale in his hand and started moving in front of tube light. What he observed, the 7 colors of white. Whether he can observe the 7 colors of a light. Then yes, he can able to name the colored band of a light obtained by the dispersion of a light. So he can able to see the 7 different bands which are he can able to see, because that the light sun rays are falling on his scale, and scale is made up of plastic, that is material is there, and when that light will fall, then there is what, 7 different colors he can able to see. Okay, so that is one, this is the answer. Then name the constituent colors of a white light. So what are the constituents? VIBGYOR. VIB means violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and light. Okay, red. So these are the 7 constituents of the white light. Now next is name the device which is used to split the white light into 7 colors. That is prism. Okay, we are discussing from the beginning of this session. So prism is a device, or prism can split 7 single light, white light, into 7 different colors. Understood? So now next is, why does the Newton's disk appear white when rotated? So actually Newton disk is what, there is a 7 different colors we are we are painted on the disk. Okay, and we are rotating with certain speed, then it is what, rotating, and with certain speed, and whenever these rotations are fast, then all the 7 colors are what, gets combined to form a white light. So we cannot differentiate that time which color is there. Okay, we can simply say that that is a white color. Okay, so whenever all the 7 colors are mixed together, then it gives the white color. Getting this? So this is what the case base. Second case also I will read out. So Anita is playing with a plain mirror and she observed the image formed in it. She observed that the mirror forms an image such that its left side is the object's right side and right side is the object's left side. Okay, the distance between the mirror and her image is 4. She also noticed that her image size is of the same size of hers and it is erect. She tried to focus her image on the screen. Okay, explain the observation when Anita tried to focus her image on the screen. That means that is a plane mirror, and if she is very near to the plane mirror, then image is what formed beyond the mirror. In that case, she is getting virtual image. Okay, that's what she is focusing herself. Getting this? So, name the phenomenon of a right appeared left and left appear right. That is a laterally inversion. Okay, then third question, list any one characteristic formed by the plane mirror. Any characteristic which is formed by the plane mirror. So plane mirror, the image is what? Erect. Size of the object is same as that of, size of the image is same as that of object. Okay, and object distance and image distance are equal. Okay, and they are saying now here they are asking the next question, distance between the mirror and her image is 4. If she moves 1 meter towards the mirror, then the distance between Anita and her image will be. देखो हाँ, see, I will try to show here. This is what the plane mirror. Okay, can you able to see here? This is what the plane mirror, and Anita is standing somewhere here. Okay, this distance is 4 meter. They are saying she moved now 1 meter towards the mirror, then this will 1 meter towards the mirror, that means this is 3 meter. No, that's it. So answer is here 3 meter, and final distance between Anita and its image. So Anita is now 3 centimeter apart from the 3 meter apart, then 3 plus 3 is nothing but how much? 6. Understood? So these kind of questions are also important. There is a chances of asking this kind of questions. Okay, so I will share this PDF which we did here today. So I will share that. No 3, it's 3. So we'll do some other questions, and then wait, let me check if I have. Okay, some textbook based questions are also we are doing. If you have a textbook, open your textbook. Okay, so first part is there is a fill in the blanks. Okay, so you people have to answer. I will ask the question. Okay, so here if you have a textbook, I think you have, no? So open the textbook. Open your textbook. I hope everyone is opened your textbook. So I'll read the question. An image that cannot be obtained on the screen is called. The image cannot be obtained on the screen is called as which image? We discussed just now. Type, someone can type the answer. The images which are not forming on the mirror, so that is somewhere beyond the mirror, that kind of images are called as what? That kind of images are called as virtual images. Okay, that are known as the virtual images. Write down that answer in your textbook. Now next is image formed by a concave dash is always virtual and smaller in size. Concave mirror Okay, in lens it is magnified. Okay, and in convex mirror it is virtual and smaller. Okay, next one, in an image formed by dash, mirror is always of same size as that of object. Okay, so what is the answer? An image formed by a dot 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 mirror is always same size as that of object. That is plane mirror, no? Plane mirrors are the mirrors where we can get our image is of same size. Okay, so that is nothing but plane mirror. An image which can be obtained on the screen is called as dot 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 image. Okay, so the images which are formed on the screen are called as what? The real images. They are called as real images. And C, last option, the image formed by a concave dash cannot be obtained on the screen. So whatever the images are formed on the concave lens, okay, so concave lens cannot be obtained on the screen. So these are the answers. So first one will come virtual image, second one will come mirror, third one will come as a plane, fourth one is real, and last one is what? Lens. Understood this? I hope you all are getting this. Those who join now, they can open your textbook. So here we are doing TBQ all textbook questions. Okay, so we finished first, we are going for second for a true and false. So true and false, maybe they will ask direct or maybe they will ask in the form of assertion and reasoning. So when first one I will read out, we can obtain an enlarged and erect image by convex mirror. Okay, we can obtain the enlarged and erect image by convex mirror. That is false. It is giving what? The image is small. Okay, small and virtual we are getting in case of lens. In case of mirror. Okay, that is a false statement. Next statement they are saying a concave lens always forms a virtual image. Yes, true. Okay, then C, we cannot obtain real enlarged and inverted image with the help of concave mirror. Yes, true. We are not getting enlarged image because we are getting same size of image in case of plane mirror. Okay, or concave mirror. So answer is true here. A real image cannot be obtained on the screen. False. Real image will always obtain on the screen and virtual images are always obtained beyond the mirror. Okay. So here next question, the concave mirror always form a real image. False. Okay, concave mirror always forms a real image, that is the false statement. Okay. So now match the columns. Match the columns is there. Okay, third question. First column, I will directly tell the answer. Plane mirror. Here plane mirror. Yeah, plane mirror, the image is erect and the same size of the object. That is V. Okay, Roman V. That option is there. B, convex mirror. Convex mirror, same. Convex mirror के लिए you will get the can form an image of a objects spread over a large area. Okay, can form an image of an object spread over a larger area. That is second option. Okay, now write down next one, convex lens. Convex lens, yeah, it is used as a magnified glass. It is used as magnifying glass. It is used as magnifying glass. That is first option. Okay, then next D, a concave mirror. D is what? Concave mirror. Concave mirror, yeah, concave mirror used by the dentist to see an enlarged image of a teeth. Okay, used by dentists to see an enlarged image of a teeth. Okay, that is the option number 3 here. Then last, concave lens. Concave lens. That is last option we have. The image is erect and smaller in size than the object. Okay, smaller, that VI, sixth one, Roman 6. The image is erect and smaller in size than the object. Okay. Everyone noted in your textbook? Okay. Now write down check your next question. Question number 4. State the characteristics of the image formed by a plane mirror. State the characteristics of the image formed by the plane mirror. So plane mirror में same size of the object, the image is of same size of the object. Okay, so first this is a nature. Then second, plane mirror forms an erect image. Correct, it is forms always erect, and it forms virtual image also. As we are going towards the mirror, very close to mirror, then it forms a virtual images. Then size, then it is shows the laterally inverted phenomena. Means if we raise the right hand, it appears as a left, and if you raise the left hand, then it appear as a right hand. Okay, so image is formed at the same distance as that of mirror, means object, and image distance is double the distance from the object from the mirror. Okay, so these are the characteristics of the plane mirror. Okay, now here find out 4 letters of English alphabet or any other language known to you in which the image formed in a plane mirror appears exactly like a letter itself. Discuss your answer. So exactly same means they are not laterally inverting. Means can you able to understand the question? So in Olympiads and all we are doing mirror images, we are forming for a different letters, but here mirror images are not, they are asking the letters will remains as it is if we are holding in the mirror also. Okay, so you can check, letter A is there, then letter H is there. Okay, then letter I, O, T, because T is also what gets shifted and it appears as a T only. Okay, U, V, W, X, Y, these all are what remain same. They will not change if you are holding them in front of the mirror. Can you getting this? Understood this? Next question, they are asking what is a virtual image? Give one situation where virtual image is formed. Okay, virtual images are the images which are formed beyond the mirror, okay, or they are not obtained on the screen. They are known as a virtual images. So if object is very close to the mirror, then the object will form somewhere else, not on the screen. For example, that kind of images are virtual images, and plane mirrors always forms the virtual images. Can you getting here? So next question is that state 2 differences between convex and concave lens. So just now I explained on the board. I hope you understood that. Okay, so convex and concave lens I already drew on the board, and I already explained how they are appearing. So in case of concave, they are bulged at the middle part, and they are thinner at the ends, flattened at the ends, and in case of concave, they are thinner at middle and broader or thicker at the both the ends. Okay, so here in convex we are getting magnified image, and in concave lens we are getting smaller images. Understood up to here? Okay, now they are asking give one use of concave and convex mirror. So concave mirrors are used in a torchlight or headlight of the vehicles, or dentists are using used as a shaving mirror because they are always gives magnified image of the object. Okay, and convex mirrors are used in a vehicles, means rear view mirrors we are using to get a wider fidelity of the vehicles which are behind our car. Okay, because we need a smaller images in that case and which are coming from very far. So in that case we are using concave lens, no, sorry, convex mirror. So now next is question number 9. Which type of mirror can form a real image? They are asking again mirror. Which mirror gives a real image? Okay, so here concave mirror is giving the real images if the objects are far from some particular distance. They used to give the real images. If they are very close to each other, then it gives the virtual images. Okay. So what type of lens form always virtual? Then concave forms always virtual. Lens they are asking. Understood here? What is my question? Can you getting this? Okay. Today I will share all these PDFs with you. Okay. Next one. Again they are asking. Choose the correct option. MCQ are there. A virtual image larger than the object can be produced by convex lens, concave mirror, convex mirror and plane mirror. So it's very clear that is a convex mirror, concave mirror because it gives the magnified image. Dentists as well as shaving mirrors are the example of concave mirror. Understood this? Now next question. David is observing his image in a plane mirror. The distance between the mirror and his image is 4. If he moves towards 1 meter towards the mirror, the distance between David and his image will be. Initially beginning, just now we did this, no, one question. Initially it is at 4 meter distance apart from the mirror. Then he moved towards the mirror by 1 meter. So 4 minus 1 is nothing but 3. Okay, and the distance between them, 3 plus 3 is 6. This is what the answer. So these calculations are very easy for your class. So do these questions properly. Okay, now next question, 13th one. The rear view mirror of a car is plane mirror and a driver is reversing his car at a speed of 2 meter per second. The driver sees his rear view mirror, the image of a truck parked behind the car. Full stop. The speed at which the image of a truck appears to approach the driver will be how much? So plane mirror, no, 2 and 2, that is 4. Okay, so this is the answer. Understood? So I covered almost all the questions from the light. So you can also refer different websites, okay, or any different schools worksheets also you can refer for practicing the questions. Okay, so I finished all the questions from my end. Then as well as I already took the session, one quick session, recap session on the light. Okay, that if you want that short notes and quick recap, then you can go for the previous videos. You can go through that and again come to these question answer sessions. Then it will be, you will feel quite easier. Okay, so thank you for joining for today's session. If you have any doubts or queries, you can message. I will give you 2-3 minutes. If you have any doubt queries, you can just message. Okay, and those who are coming here, there will be a test tomorrow based on the light. Okay, I provided the notes as well as we discussed question answers. Okay, so tomorrow there will be a test. Yes, those who are there, does anyone is having doubts, queries? Yes, anyone? Yes, someone can message. I am waiting for everyone. Are you getting this session and previous session? Do you have any doubts, queries? If there, you can personally message me, or okay, then can I leave this meeting? Can I end this session? Okay, so prepare this chapter nicely. Okay, and still if you have any doubts, queries, you can ask me by tomorrow. Okay, you can ask me by tomorrow. Okay, no issues, no issues. Okay, so if you want still anything for short notes, you can check for the previous videos. Okay, and try to prepare this chapter properly. This is very important chapter, not only for this exam point of view, but this chapter is there for class 10 and class 12th also. Okay, these two are there, so little bit more advanced in 12th, but a little bit advanced in 12th, but in 10th we have many questions and ray diagrams, the concepts which we learned, reflection, refraction, this dispersion phenomena, means that is a rainbow, how it will form. Okay, so that everything we have. Yes, Soham. Yes, hi. Hi, Soham. How are you? So that is what this chapter is. Yes, Soham, I know. How are you? What you are doing nowadays? Yeah, I know. Yeah, I'm also good. I'm fine. What you are doing now? Okay, where you are working now? Okay, good, very good. I'm very happy for you, and always my blessings with you all. Okay, so thank you. After I'm very happy after listening your career. Okay, good. It's nice. Okay, no issues. Keep in touch, keep in contact. Okay, so others can understood this chapter. Okay, so hum bye bye. We'll see you, meet once. You can just message me in the messenger. Okay, thank you for watching this. After a long time, I met my old students. Thank you. Okay, bye bye. Okay, everyone, I am ending this meeting. Okay, thank you.